What's up, Jessica Squad? Today I'm making a watermelon fruit basket. So this will be an actual basket made from the watermelon, hollowed out and filled up with a variety of fruit. So you want to use a washable marker to draw where your handle will be. Make sure it's wide enough and not too thin so it doesn't break. And then you could do wavy line to go all the way around, or you could do zigzag line. I like to do zigzag line, that is the most easiest. And there it is. There's my complete drawn on watermelon basket for the areas I need to cut away. When I'm cutting, all I'm doing is cutting into where I put my marker lines. And since it's washable, don't worry about cutting right on the marker line. You can cut slightly in front of it, and then you can just wipe away that marker. Here, when you pull them, look at that. It makes a really beautiful design. The next step is to scoop out this part and scoop out this area inside so we can start filling it with some fruit. We can fill it with watermelon cubes, pineapples, cantaloupe, oranges, apple slices, blueberries, whatever your heart desire. I love to cut out this part because you can finally see the handle of the basket. So there's the cut out with the rest there and there. So now you just want to cut around all around the watermelon. Leave a little bit of a border so you can have that nice beautiful green that fades into the pink of the watermelon rind. And then of course scoop out the handle and have a pan right next to you because you want to have something to put all of your excess watermelon in. And you might even want to have a cup next to you because you're going to get a lot of watermelon juice to pour into there. Wipe off any of the marker. Okay, so we have our watermelon basket right there. And I wiped off the marker. It was just washable marker, so it was so easy to come off. And here's my spare watermelon. I even have more watermelon there. And more watermelon here. So some of it will not go in the basket. There's going to be extra that you could just put in the fridge and eat for something else. Now we'll cut some cantaloupe and we will start filling this basket up with some fruit. Alright, so I have the cantaloupe. I washed off the skin, and the best thing to do is to cut off the top and the bottom, and then you go around the curve of each section of this melon, and then that's how you will get it completely rind free. And this is what I used to do when I worked as a chef in the kitchens. And I use the same technique if I was cutting watermelon the regular way, or pineapple, or other large fruit. I'm going to just cut my fruit into little cubes just to put inside the basket, but some people like to use cookie cutters to make shapes, or one of those little melon ball scoopers so that you can have pretty designs. have an extra container ready. You might have leftover melon also. Time to incorporate back some watermelon. I'm going to put some blueberries. Sure, your fruit is really contrasting colors. It makes it look more pleasing to the eye. So the watermelon basket's complete. If you want to take it a step further, you can decorate the handle. I'm going to do that here, and I'm going to put just a little barrier so my fruit isn't sitting on top of the watermelon rind. And I'm going to secure everything in place with a toothpick, and I'm going to make some fruit hearts, and I'm going to secure them with a little tiny blueberry. And there it is, everybody. There's the watermelon fruit basket. Thanks for watching, everybody, and I hope that you like this video.